This is the story of Chupir Char, also known as Kasthasali Pakhiraloy. Located 120 kilometers north from Kolkata, there is a large oxbow lake created by the river Ganges known as Chupir Char, only 8 kilometers from the old and holy town of Navadip. This lake is almost 3 kilometers long and attracts many migratory and local water birds every year in the season of winter. Because of its connection to the river Ganges, its water is rich with life. In every monsoon, it fills up with water. A lot of fish and other freshwater organisms and plants increase. With the start of winter, many migratory birds gather all around the lake. Chupir Char brings out the true beauty of the lake. This lake is an excellent habitat for all kinds of water birds, both residential and migratory. Migrants travel thousands of kilometers to come here. Many of them come from all across Europe and Central Asia. Here, birds have enough food to eat and increase the fat levels in their body. This in turn helps them during the long return journey. Different size of beaks and legs help them explore the different resources in the water. Asian opal-billed storks are named so because of the gap between their beak. This gap helps them hold scales. Young storks do not have the gap and develop it later. Little egrets are famous for their patience. They can stand still in the water for hours waiting for their prey. They generally feed alone in shallow waters. Little egrets can be found all across the subcontinent. Fish eaters like cormorants do not have waterproofing oil in their wings, so they spend a lot of time trying to dry out their wings. Black-headed ibis are big in size. Their heads are black and the rest of their bodies are white. Pied kingfisher's habitat is always around the water. They are found all across Asia. Their bodies are black with white plumage. They can be found hovering over clear lakes looking for small fish. Bronze-winged jacanas are named so because of the bronze-colored wings. They can be found throughout India. Their nest can be found floating on the water surface. Red-crested pochards can easily be identified by their vibrant red color. They like to float on the top of the water most of the time. They are migratory birds who hail from Europe and come to the Indian subcontinent for breeding in the lowlands. Today, Chupir Char provides a steady source of livelihood for local people. They use different methods to catch the fishes. Besides active fishing, passive fish traps also work for 24 hours a day. Many people come here during the season of winter. They take a boat ride to watch the birds and take pictures of them. Local fishermen and oarsmen generally work as guides. This is a perfect example of ecotourism. It is said that there have been a lot of incidences of mass poaching in this area. But nowadays, the locals are more aware about the birds and the lake. The blessing of the lake has reached each one of their houses. The birds bring happiness and prosperity in the people's lives. That's why, at the end of the day, this is a story of hope and blessings.